Hello, everyone. I hope you're doing well and having a wonderful day. Today, we're going to paint a peaceful tropical beach scene. This painting is all about creating depth, vibrant colors, and the feeling of stepping into a hidden paradise. So, let's get started. I begin by painting the sky with a soft light blue, blending it smoothly to create a bright, clear day. Once the sky is finished, I move on to the ocean. Near the horizon, I use a deeper blue to create the sense of distance. As the water comes closer to us, I gradually mix blue with white and a touch of yellow, creating a beautiful turquoise that gives the sea its crystal clear tropical color. For the sandy beach, I mix red, yellow, and just a little black to create a warm brown. I keep the foreground slightly darker and gradually lighten the sand as it approaches the water. This smooth transition helps create the illusion of sunlight reaching the shoreline. Now it's time to build the natural frame around our beach. Using the same mixture of red, yellow, and black, I paint the dark foundation for the rocky cliffs on both sides of the scene. Then I add blue and yellow to my mixture to create a rich, deep green. With this color, I block in the background trees and dense foliage that grow over the cliffs. Framing the beach with trees immediately draws the viewer's eye toward the peaceful ocean in the distance. Since the sky has dried, I can now paint the clouds. Using a small brush, I add soft clouds along the horizon. I begin with a subtle light violet underneath to suggest gentle shadows, then build fluffy white highlights along their upper edges. I also paint a few thin, wispy clouds higher in the sky to make everything feel more natural and open. Next, I deepen the shadows beneath the cliffs where they meet the water. These darker reflections create beautiful contrasts between light and shadow and make the sunlight appear even brighter. With a fine liner brush, I add delicate horizontal highlights across the surface of the ocean. These small strokes suggest gentle ripples catching the sunlight and instantly make the water sparkle. Then I paint a quiet wave as it reaches the shore, adding thin, flowing lines of white foam to capture the peaceful motion of the sea. Now I return to the rocky cliffs. Using the same dark brown base, I refine their overall shape before adding lighter highlights to the surfaces facing the light. Layer by layer, these highlights reveal the cliff's texture, their cracks, and their rugged forms, making them appear solid and three-dimensional. For the trees and bushes, I mix a brighter green using blue and yellow. Starting from the outer edges of the foliage, I gently apply highlights where the sunlight touches the leaves. The outer edges remain bright, while the colors gradually become darker toward the center of each bush. By tapping the brush repeatedly and leaving some darker areas untouched, I create the natural texture and depth that real foliage has. To increase the sense of perspective, I paint several large tropical leaves in the foreground. These closer elements add another layer to the composition and make the viewer feel as if they are standing at the entrance of this hidden beach. Next, I paint the tree trunks on both sides of the scene. Behind them, I add the graceful fronds of a palm tree stretching across the sky. Using a liner brush with diluted dark paint, I carefully paint the thinner branches and twigs. Then I refine each palm frond with both dark and light tones, giving them movement and a natural tropical appearance. Finally, I return once more to the foreground leaves, adding crisp highlights and extra details to make them stand out. I also place a soft highlight along one side of each tree trunk to emphasize their round shape in the direction of the sunlight. As the finishing touch, I use a very thin, transparent, dark mixture to paint the soft shadows of the trees across the sandy beach. These subtle shadows help tie every element together and complete the peaceful atmosphere of the painting. I truly hope you enjoyed painting this beautiful beach with me and found the process relaxing and inspiring. If you did, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what landscape you'd like to paint next. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next painting tutorial. Happy painting!